The oscilloscope is... It's pointing there.
Was this here before?
Was what here before?
This corridor.
Yes, or no, I'm not sure, but the scope wants it. Bad.
Rhea, you can't see anything down there.
I can see fine.
How?
The same way you walk. I decide to. And I've been covering my left eye for the last 2 hours. Besides, empty spaces make more sense to me than crowded ones. Something just moved. Low, left wall, 30 meters.
The scope just spiked, jumped octaves. It's not supposed to do that.
Rhea, come back. Seriously.
There's a hole in the wall. Something just squeezed through.
Don't go in there, Rhea. Do not.
If it wanted me, it wouldn't be avoiding me.
Damn it, Rhea.
Heat signature, faint. Patterns fragmented. Oh, cool, now I'm getting feedback. Something's listening? Rhea?
Silt, market, anomaly, type unknown. Behavior, observing. Confidence, high.
Hi? Why hi?
Because it's just sitting there, watching. I can feel its eyes on me. All right, back up. Whatever it is, it's patient. And worse, it reminds me of me.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Jesus!
What the
Holy
fuck,
shit,
Claptrap?
Are you kidding me?